Hey guys, it's Mike with A&M here. Today we got a call from a telephone company that actually has a building out here, and somebody's been illegally dumping on their property. So there's some wood over there, a few filing cabinets right here, and some more right here. And then over here just looks like some office furniture and tables that are disassembled. And over here, there's just another table that's in the grass over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up all this stuff, put it on the trailer, and then I'm gonna tell you guys how much we're getting paid for this job. A lot of it's metal too, so that's always a plus. We don't have to pay for disposal. But yeah, so we're gonna get to it, and then we're gonna see if we got any dump fees for this, and we're going to see if we have any scrap metal or we can sell anything. So that's what today's video is about, so enjoy it. All right, we got everything loaded up. The back of the truck pretty much just has filing cabinets on them, which they all look to be in decent shape, so we can probably sell those. There's a couple more filing cabinets here, and then these chairs actually look like they're in pretty good condition too. Even though they were out here in the weather, I think we can probably sell those. And we got a box of like notepads, so I don't know if those are worth saving or not. Then we got trash underneath there, obviously. But yeah, we picked it all up. We've been here about 20 minutes, and I got to take before and after pictures and send them to the customer and make sure it gets approved. I actually stepped in a fire ant like colony and my ankles got all bit up. I was more worried about the snakes, but I actually got all bit up by fire ants, so got to be careful when it comes to that. But yeah, I'm gonna take some before and after pictures, send them to the customer, and we actually charged $450 for this job. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I have charged more? Should I have charged less? How would you quote the job? Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button if you want to see any more videos like this. Thanks for watching.